Hello traders, today we'll be looking at the young trader indicator for MT4. This tool applies a moving average based line with adjustable sensitivity so you can visually track the active trend and see when conditions may be shifting. At this moment I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the young trader indicator plots a single moving average style line directly on your price chart. This blue line is our main line and acts as a moving average. When price is trading above the line, yeah, and the line is sloping upward, it visually suggests bullish conditions. And when price is trading below the line and the line is sloping downward, it suggests bearish conditions. Meanwhile, changes in the slope or when price starts crossing and holding on the opposite side of the line can hint that the current trend is losing strength and a shift may be forming. Now you can use this to see the direction of the trend on your price chart. Let's move over to its input. We have the period that controls how many bars are used to calculate the young trader moving average, directly affecting how fast or slow the line reacts to price changes. We have the time window that defines the window of data the indicator focuses on, allowing you to tailor it to shorter or longer market context. And finally, we have the sensitive parameter that fine tunes how responsive the line is to fluctuations. Its higher sensitivity making it react more quickly. Its more frequent slope changes, and lower sensitivity makes it smoother and more selective. And also adjust the color of the line. Now, who is it for? The young trader indicator is suited to traders who want a straightforward moving average style trend filter. They can tune with period, time window, and sensitivity instead of juggling multiple lines. It still lags price, can flip frequently in sideways or news driven markets, and should be paired with support and resistance, price action confirmation, and solid risk management rules rather than used as a standalone signal generator. The download link for the indicator can be found in the description below. You can read more about the Young Trader Indicator MT4 if you like to use it, and see example charts for more experience or more examples on how to use it properly and how to apply it to your chart and trading strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.